Hi, Brady Bunch.
Hi. Say hi.
Say thank you, Aunt Sandy. Thank you, Uncle Larry.
He's a good boy.
Got my own little chair. I'm a big boy. I'm a big boy. I sit all by myself. Are you gonna watch Romy? There's a front row seat for entertainment. And Romy, he's at your level. That's cool, right? He got his own little chair.
Who's a good boy?
You are. That's right. Who's a big boy? Who's got good head control? Romy. Hi. Here comes Bonehead.
Hi.
Romy, get out of the way, Romes. That is our house, though, isn't it?
Hi.
Do you see him, Mr. Drooly Man?
Where's Daddy?
Hey, do you want to do the chicken dance? Okay, ready, here we go. But we're starting kind of slow. This will be a lot of fun, but it's only just begun. Now we're getting to the middle and we're speeding up. We're going really fast, and it's going fast.
Yeah, buddy.
Hey, do you want to do the chicken dance? Okay, ready, here we go. But we're starting kind of slow.
It's like a little man chair for him. That's so cool.
Watch him groove his head. He's like,
We're getting to the middle and we're speeding up a little bit.
oh my God, it's making me laugh.